must also get one from the side there.
Yeah. If you just complete one, then we'll do the next one.
Sweet. You must actually get that like stand.
It's too long. We'll sort it out. Mr. Jim, good year. Happy birthday for another dog. Thank you. What's the cup and drink?
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Good. What weekend? The next one we'll split, then we set the depth perfect, and then that's it. Now I don't need to check the sizes on the... Check this one. Only put don't you have a shower on that? That's not even too pressure yet, but...
Yeah, you'll check the next floor as
I'm going to take off another 15 more of that cut there.
This one's not done, this one's not done. Do you like a monster?
How much will you want? I don't know.
Why? Oh, forgive me.
Here's what you say, it's on video.
I'm going to measure these and that.
Yeah. Get it cut. You can get some juice there. They will be thirsty. Right. With the other you and promise I see that stuff in your thing contract. Everybody's responsible for the production and training of the yeah?
But it's fine. I said that you wrote it down and see, but you didn't add it. So don't add it now because I've already done it for you, okay? I've got double figures.
Guys, it's 20 bar 3 pressure. So Victor, why don't you just make a machine that you fill it with water and it runs in the water? Yeah. You looked at me like a water fish. Yeah. Take it like 4 minutes.
Yeah, it's
quicker. And I've checked it now already, I can save movements. Yeah. Yeah. So I just put it in the proportion because of the machining techniques that side.
Tuesday. You mean Tuesday?
Yeah.
Tuesday.
This is the part that takes the longest.
Because Monday's public holiday. Public holiday on Monday. It's working day.
Jenny, you put on a group.
Well, everybody knows if on the work Monday, then they must just say so.
I'm actually thinking of taking
Fine. Fine,
Since the thing is not against the next noise, some of it stuff to do. What? How to taking videos to see how long it is. But also like the timer. You can get a stopwatch. But doesn't this one, the thing have like a stopwatch?
I want to get a nice production together. So when the show's running, seems the work is they can walk through it. Yeah. So we don't show that. You show that.
But I have all this stuff. I just need to get a video camera.
That's one cost. How for what? I can borrow one from a friend. Something that doesn't.
Like I told
Guys normally take what I do.
Mine has no
Ethan.
focus. How can you do it on my phone?
I told Ethan you can put a GoPro in the machine too. So you can take videos of whenever you're sick. Sorry. Yeah, getting water.
You want to take it? That's finished. Alright.